Hello everyone. This is my interview video of communication skills, and today I am going to take an interview of one of the famous person. So nice to meet you, sir.
Hello, hello.
So can you please give me your introduction?
Yes, my name is Pujan Adhikari. I am currently studying in South Korea, majoring the business, and I went here in March 2024 for my bachelor program, and my birth destination in Nepal is Dharan, which is quite famous right now because of the mayor of Dharan, who is quite famous in social medias nowadays.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Pujan, so you told about Nepal. So I would like to ask you, can you please tell us why Nepal is popular destination for tourists?
Yeah, because Nepal is the very famous because people choose to come to Nepal to visit because of its natural beauty, and there are so many destinations we can visit in Nepal. Like one of our governments focused on the how tourists can come to visit in Nepal. So that also helps tourists to come to Nepal, and places like we all know the highest mountain in the world is in Nepal,
Yeah.
and also there are so many heritage places like in the Kathmandu Darbari Square, and in the Lumbini the birthplace of Gautam Buddha, and Pokhara is also one of the famous place to visit. So that's why people choose to come to Nepal to visit.
Okay, so why do tourists enjoy trekking in Nepal?
Because Nepal have unparalleled mountain landscapes that offers a trekking system in Nepal. Like we have mm, eight of uh, 14 mountains, Mount Everest in Nepal. That offers trekking in Nepal, and like Annapurna Base Camp, Langtang circuits, that also offers the people to trekking and enjoy the ride.
Okay. So, what kind of cultural experiences can tourists expect from Nepal?
Uh, yeah, that is quite good question. Tourist can expect so many cultural experiences in Nepal. Like we have 123 different caste in Nepal, so every caste have their own cultural system, and there are so many religions which is existed in Nepal, which exist in Nepal. So different religion follows different culture. Like Hindu, in Hindu we tourist can experience the Dasai Tihar, like, and also from the Buddhist. Uh, Buddhist religion also offers Losar, like tourist can also experience that, because when they arrive in Nepal, that will be very different for them. So their experience will be very quite good.
Okay. So, one question I would like to ask, what kind of food should tourists try in Nepal?
We have so many foods to offer, so I will recommend to eat. So firstly, dal bhat tarkari, famous Nepalese food.
Okay.
We always eat that,
Dal
and
bhat.
momo. We cannot. When tourists arrived in Nepal, we can see so many bloggers, foreign bloggers, eats
Yeah.
momos and enjoy it, and also like sell rotis and Newari foods, which is quite famous in Kathmandu area. So tourists, when they arrived in Nepal, they always try to Newari foods, So I will recommend that.
Okay, so one last ending question I would like to ask you. What would you say to someone planning to visit Nepal?
I would say yes, come to Nepal. It's very beautiful and small but very beautiful, and it's mountains and so many ponds. We have so many things to offer to tourists. uh, I will recommend to visit them Kathmandu, Pokhara, Manang Mustang, and west part of our Nepal. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so it was a very pleasure taking an interview with you. Thank you very much for
Yes.
giving a very much good information about Nepal. So you would like to recommend tourists to visit Nepal?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, and so let's end our interview with this. Thank you
Okay.
very much
Thank you.
for coming and giving interview. Thank you very much.
Okay.